All right, hi guys, this is Ken Blumberg, your all-American realtor, here at one of my new listings in the Vistas, minutes from downtown Summerlin, minutes from Red Rock, Costco, and many, many other fantastic locations that you want to be very close to. We're setting up to do a twilight shot. I want to tell you about this property. I'm not going to reveal the address just yet, but it is just about 1,900 square foot as far as the living space, and the home is very, very special and is a rare find because you have a lot that's over 10,000 square foot. It is very private and it is just a lovely, beautiful property. And when I look around, this is what true abundance looks like. So let's flip the camera around and give you guys a quick tour of the backyard. So here is the pool area. We're just hitting that perfect golden hour for this twilight shoot. You can see the waterfalls look amazing. The landscaping back here is immaculate. You've got this quiet little covered patio area over here, which is fantastic. The palm trees are mature. The landscaping is really immaculate, very well manicured here. Nice side run of the property. And that is not it. And again, let me just show you how private this is. Nobody's looking down on you. Just very, very secluded and private, and just is a wonderful feel to this backyard. But you've got this whole other amazing side yard here too, and look how lush that is. This tree, I am told, when it blooms is just fabulous. It just completely comes to life, and it's just amazing. But look at the evergreen landscaping back here. You've got this little grassy area here. So essentially two separate yards on this home. And then you've got the solar heater up there. But just incredible. Just feels so relaxing and so good to be back here. And again, look at those vibrant colors on those roses. So guys, there you have it. I mean, if this is not true abundance, true wealth, just true extraordinary living, I don't know what is. So if you have any questions about this beautiful property, give me a call on my cell. The number is 702-809-5734. Or you can also text me, or you can send me an email at kblumberg1@gmail.com. This is Ken Blumberg, your all-American realtor, signing off, and thanking you for spending a little time with me. I will look forward to speaking to you soon. And there's the photographer right on cue. All right, till next time.